Okay, we're back. I'm back from dinner. Let's see if we can open the rest of these cards. Oh boy. A lot of packages here. Choke on 'em. A lot of these sticker cards are bub-centric. The Ritz. Oh, that's great. In memoriam, Joseph Pilato. I missed that fucking guy. That's a nice one. Joe was awesome. Oh my god, Joe was awesome. They're getting too riled up. What is this? Oh, we got a checklist card. Good. Packages all over. I didn't do it. Hello. Choke on 'em. It's acting on instinct. Another waste of time. Is opening all these cards another waste of time? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Some cool behind the scenes cards. Maybe we can get this done in less than 10 minutes. A lot of choke on them. Oh, in memoriam, Ralph Marrero. That's a good one. Rickles. Ralph Marrero. Rest in peace. A lot of this one. Logan Star Pupil. It's a good shot of Rhodes. Another Ralph Marrero. Now the big pain in the butt is going to be trying to say, okay, let's put together a set. Let's put these in order. I've got to lay them all out on the ground or something because my desk isn't big enough. Salute my ass. You want me to salute this walking pile of pus? Salute my ass. Another Joe. All right. Getting down to the bottom of the box. We only got 2 or 3 more packs after this one. Oh, 2 more. Yes. I'm seeing 3 of certain cards. No, buying this whole box, I better have at least 1 set, or I'm going to be pissed. That'll be the last time I ever buy any cards. I swear to God. But I do love Day of the Dead, so yeah, I had to buy these. And the last package. It's seeming to me that the blue cards are just images from certain cards, and maybe eventually there'll be a whole blue card set if you buy enough. Well, that's nice. In memoriam, Richard Liberty. Glad I got that. I know I definitely don't have 2 sets here. I am not going to do a video looking through all these and laying them out and seeing how many sets I got. So we're going to end this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.